Hi, this is Asiana Smith. Now I'm doing my screencast for my final project for HEA 510 technology. So I'm doing my project on XR, which is an abbreviation for extended reality in higher education, and my proposal is about how much of an enhancement it is to student learning. The reason I chose this topic is because for my higher ed game changer assignment, I had virtual reality. And from the research I conducted there, I seen that although virtual reality is a very strong medium to be utilized in higher education, I learned about briefly about the other forms like mixed reality and augmented reality. So I wanted to, focus more on that overall picture because it serves so many needs. So that's what I wanted to do. So I'm gonna go over some objectives for my assignment. So I wanted to introduce extended reality, XR, the abbreviation, and basically explain what it is and its basic composition of mixed reality, augmented reality, and virtual reality as one medium. I'm gonna explain all those concepts separately because I feel like they need to be understood separately before they can come together, so you can see like the use or power in them. Um, I'm gonna go over the benefits and drawbacks of the technology and explain how students are impacted. Highlight what the researchers are saying about the technology. I have about 11 sources that I examined. Um, and some sources are strictly tied to one of the mediums, so maybe virtual reality or mixed reality, but most of my sources are them combined. I wanted to have them highlight separately to then bring them together as a whole. And then I'm going to speak on the future of extended reality and what it looks like in 5 years, 4 years, 2 years, next year, and why XR should be used in higher education. So I explain it like I said. I have my little equation on what it is. These are the abbreviations for the different realities. I go into detail and define them separately, and then break them off into their own little journeys. I pose one of the questions: why use higher education, extended reality in higher education? Kind of answer it briefly, but I'm gonna constantly like draw back on that answer. Um, I go into virtual reality, highlight some things, highlight some benefits, some drawbacks. Go into the next one, highlight some benefits or definitions, benefits, some drawbacks, and I keep that trend going throughout. And then I finish up. I'm still adding and layering and trying to make my project better, but I'm pretty happy with what I'm coming with. It is harder than I thought it would be to find sources because it is so new. So as one of the big and potential drawbacks is that this technology is so new that there's not a lot of research done on it. And what I've noticed is that most of the research I have found is very current, like December 2019, November 2019. Like we're really in this frame because it is so new. So I feel like that's one of the biggest drawbacks or obstacles I had to face while doing my project. Um, but yeah, I think you guys are gonna like it. You're gonna learn something new about a new technology, and I hope it like changes your mind on it, maybe opens your eyes up to it. Yeah, that's my project in a nutshell. Thank you.